Unpacking the phrase, oven space. Hello, and welcome to another episode of English Made Easy. Today, we're going to demystify a phrase that you might encounter in everyday conversations. Oven space. Whether you're at a dinner party or reading a recipe, understanding this term can be really helpful. So let's get started. When we talk about oven space, we're referring to the amount of room available inside an oven. It's a straightforward concept. Think of it as real estate in your oven. Why is this important? Well, when cooking or baking, knowing how much oven space you have determines what you can prepare at one time. Beyond the kitchen, oven space can also be used metaphorically. It can refer to having the capacity or resources to take on new tasks or responsibilities. For instance, if someone says, "I don't have the oven space for another project," they mean they're already stretched thin. In many cultures, cooking and communal meals are significant, making the idea of oven space more than just a practical term. It's often associated with preparation for gatherings and can imply warmth and hospitality. So, having enough oven space can also mean being able to welcome and entertain more guests. Now, how do you use this phrase correctly? If you're discussing cooking, you can say, "I need to manage my oven space carefully for Thanksgiving dinner." Metaphorically, if you're too busy, you might say, "My oven space is fully booked until next month." And that's a wrap on oven space. Remember, whether literal or figurative, it's all about the capacity to accommodate. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, oven space, confidently in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.